وصلى الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين. We were there in case of Radd or redistribution of the remaining property to the sharers except the spouses. So when there are two groups of heirs who deserve distribution along with the spouse of the deceased, then the original procedure is one and the same. That if the remaining property after the share of the spouse is distributed without any fraction to the adjustment of the deserving group or groups, then there is no need of further multiplication. And that is only in one case. When the wife is taking 1/4 of the property, so the case is like this. Zaid died and he left behind his wife, 4 grandmothers, and 6 sisters from mother's side. Now first, we have to have the solution, or to look into the solution according to the rules of inheritance. So the wife, in this case, when the deceased does not have kids or grandkids, so how much she takes? 1/4. And the grandmothers, doesn't matter how many they are taking 1/6. And the sisters from mother's side, they are more than one, so they are taking
2/3, 1/2.
1/3. They are from mother's side. Got it? So now, 12. So the wife will take 3. The 4 grandmothers will take 2. And the 6 sisters will take 4. So altogether 9. So 3 remains. It will go to the 2 groups. To the grandmothers. Yes. Got it? Which will go to the 2 groups. So if we will make it once again, in the same way, So then will be remaining, and then will be remaining, and then will be remaining. So we have to take into consideration the ratio of the shares of grandmothers and the ratio with the shares of the sisters. So now 2 to 4
1 to 2.
is 1 to 2. Got it?
Yes.
Is
1 to 2.
1 to 2.
3.
That is 1 to 2. The ratio is 1 to 2.
So 1.
Got it?
Yes.
So now we will make the masala of the wife first. From its shares denominator. From wife's shares denominator. So its denominator keeping into view in the view the basic concept.
Yes.
That is
4.
4. So she will take 1. So remaining are 3.
1, 2.
And that is done. And Z is forgiven. Because that is a joke. Our mashayikh, they used to do that. That when fraction does not come in case of inheritance, it means that the seed is forgiven.